We're looking at subtracting fractions now where the denominator is different. A little bit like the addition, there's a step to go through before we can complete subtraction, and that is to find a common denominator. We do that, the simplest way of doing that is to multiply the denominators that we have here. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Now it's really important that the children get the right new fraction in the right space for subtraction, because otherwise they'll end up completing the wrong calculation. So over on this side, I'm doing 3 times 1, 3 sixths. And hopefully there's some understanding there that that is the same as a half. And then on this one, the number I'm subtracting, I'm doing 2 times 1. So I've got a new calculation to make here. 3 sixths take away 2 sixths, which leaves me with 1 sixth. Similarly here, we've got numerators that are bigger than 1. And again, I follow the same steps, the same procedure. 4 times 5 to get my new denominators. The denominator being the same. And then I'm doing the crossover. So the fraction I'm subtracting is 4 times 2, which is 8. And I'm subtracting from 5 times 3, 15. Okay? All I've got left to do now is 15 take away 8. Quick calculation tells me that leaves me with 7/20. Finally, with this one, I've got the challenge a little bit here, because I'm trying to take 3/5 from a half, which you can't do. And that's why this hole is here. And this problem is a little bit hard. Children have got to go through another step first. What they need to remember here is that 1 whole is the same as 2 halves. I'm just going to jot that down there. 1 whole is the same as 2 halves. So actually, what I'm doing here is 2 and that half, 3 halves, subtract 3/5. Now I follow the same steps as before. I find a common denominator by multiplying. I make my cross. 5 3s are 15. Doesn't matter that it's an improper fraction here, that's what I need in order to find the answer. 2 3s on this side are 6, so I've got 15 subtract 6, which leaves me with 9/10.